Hey, here we go again. Good morning, and I won't say it's nippy, but a little bit cold. Anyway, I'm going to go get some grout. So, quick fill-in of what's going on. We're going to have a bit of a break from tiling, and can you see me? I got better, and it didn't happen. It didn't happen. And look at all this lot, they're digging doors up. Digging. Anyway, yeah, I finished with this quite a big job, and then I went and did the guy's actual house, which was a big bathroom. And I thought, right, I've had a good earner, I've had a good crack. I'm going to have a breather, which I like to do. I don't like to go from one job to another, because basically I just get brassed off. I see a lot of tradesmen doing it and they've lost the impetus. Let me just turn that down a bit. Radio 2. I don't know who we got this morning. And they're sort of losing it now. Yep, I know, beggars can't be choosers, and hey Dad, you've got a wrong attitude, you should be hammer and tongue. No. I've got no kids. I've got a very small mortgage, because me and my wife just live in a small flat. I don't see the point of having a big massive place and a big garden just to be, it's extra work. Sorry if that's upset some of you people, materialistic characters there, if it upsets you, sorry, but it's just the way it is. The room's big enough, we've got a big bedroom, nice front room, we've got good all mod cons, decent neighbours. What more could you want? We eat well, I live well. I don't want to be working all hours God sends. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. I was going to have some time off, and a plumber called me. Oh, I've had your name given by Dicky's Tiles. Can you help me out? I'm in a bit of a conundrum, so how can I help you? And blah blah, such and such plumber. My tiler's let me down, for whatever reason. I've got this bathroom, customers panicking, blah, yada. Can you come and help me? So I basically put my cape and my red boots on and hung my holiday flip-flops up, and I went out and done it. I'm just going to put a little bit more finishing touches to it and grout it this morning. But anyway, it just goes to show, if you ain't with people, and again, it's marketing, isn't it? It's marketing. It's years since I've actually advertised. I don't have any business cards. I don't have my name on side at van anymore. In fact, my van looks a bit scruffy. So that's not a right good advert. It's not a brilliant advert. But people that employ me is word of mouth, and that's the best marketing strategy you'll ever have. Forget cards, forget internet, word of mouth, jungle drums. Jungle drums is all important. You're standing. How are you in the community? And that's today's, well, not less of this chit chat. Just have a bit of a chit chat this morning. I nearly did bring camera. Nearly did bring it, and then I thought, no, what the heck I will do. So I'm just going to I don't actually have to finish it today, I'm due to finish. I'm in front. The guy's expecting me to finish tomorrow dinner time. Now I probably could and go without dinner and work till past tea time and get done. But why? I've got till tomorrow dinner. You could. Somebody else might say, well, get it done, Daz, and you can have Friday off. I don't mind going in for a couple of hours. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I love my job. It's no big deal just for a couple of hours. So see how I get on. Might finish at 3. I've got a new phone coming. Managed to get a good little deal on this new phone. The new UAE, whatever it's called. It's HUWAIE or HUAW, whatever. The new P20. So I'll be unboxing that. Probably filming unboxing as well. But as ever, now back to this job, and I came at short notice. You know, I only to see it on Sunday, and I started Tuesday. Tuesday, yeah, started Tuesday. And you know, they were very distraught, and it's a stressful time because some people don't have the luxury of two toilets. They only have got the one. So I have to take the toilet in and out and that to tile it. So and I'm not a plumber. And room's getting done, and obviously job's taking a couple of weeks longer. And now with a tile letting it down, there's more time on top. So it's stressful for the people. They're not young people. They're not old people, but they're not young people. As you get older, you get a little bit less resilient, I think. Anyway, look where we are. Can you see that? Well, you can't see it because I haven't got the camera on, but we're at Dickie's Tiles, the home of excellence. You might see it behind me. Yep, there it goes. There's a sign. Dickie's Tiles. Here we go. Get your Dickie's Tiles. Get out here. Bye bye.